In this video, I'm going to show you how to find high volume meme coins. Now, the first thing you want to do is create an Axiom account, because for this we're going to be using Axiom, and there's actually a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. Now, Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins and for finding meme coins as well, and it's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker and Twitter tracker. They have a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, set your own presets with different slippage priority and bribe fees for both buy and sell settings. They have a turbo mode for faster fills and transactions, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually find high volume meme coins over here in Axiom, they've made it very simple. You want to go to the polls tab over here, and you can first see the new pairs, and then the final stretches, and then the migrated coins. And if you actually want to see the volume, as you can see over here, this V over here is basically volume. Now, here you can see what the volume of these specific coins is. Just by hovering over it, you can see it says that that's the volume, and you can just see it over here in this white number. And if you actually want to filter by a very high volume, you first want to figure out what the volume you're looking for is. So let's say your volume is, I don't know, like 300K or something like that. You want to go up here, you want to go to one of these filters, so either for new pairs, for final stretch, or for migrated. You want to filter like this. And then you want to go down here, click on metrics, scroll down. As you can see over here, there's a volume filter. So you can filter the minimum or maximum volume. And after you put those basically numbers in, click on apply all, and then you will only be able to see the highest volumes of meme coins that you're looking for. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.